What's up, guys? Today we're actually going to build this hardtop out of carbon fiber. All right, y'all, I got my mold all waxed and sprayed with 3 coats of PVA. Got my carbon fiber all cut out, ready to lay in. And I've got my vacuum bag, giant thing, laid out on the ground. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the mold and set it down on the bag after I get the carbon fiber laid in there. And I'm gonna take this far end over here that doesn't have any adhesive on it, which is this yellow strip. I'm gonna take that and fold it over onto this side on top of the mold, and that's gonna seal everything up. And I'm gonna seal the 3 edges and vacuum it down and hopefully get a good seal on everything. So we'll see how it goes. All right, so it's 10:40 p.m. right now. The carbon fiber's been laid up in the mold, and I got the vacuum bag on it. I think it's all sealed up. It's just taking a little while for this Harbor Freight pump to get a vacuum, but it seems like it's working. So if you're not in a hurry, that's an option. All right, y'all, it's the next day. Time to open this up and see what it looks like. So I found out that one of the things the peel ply does, which is the green, it helps the bleeder cloth to come off. So if you don't have any of the peel ply under the bleeder cloth, it's harder to pull off. It sticks to that resin into your mold. So make sure you get the peel ply on the whole mold. All right, here's the big reveal. See what it looks like. Oh yeah. Woo, came out good. Not bad. Super light. Here it is. Still need to trim all the windows and the edges and all that, but looks pretty good. All right, here it is all trimmed up. Still need to sand the edges and polish and clear coat the whole thing. It's got a little bit of waviness to it on the top. I think I can fix that in the mold pretty easily. Probably just Bondo it and sand it down, re-gel coat it. So the next one won't have that. I put a support under the middle area back here, just some foam insulation with carbon fiber over the top, and that really made this part strong. but it's a little weaker in the middle. So the next one, I'll probably put a bar down the middle also to make it real strong in the middle there. But overall, I'm pretty happy with it. Learned a lot. It's my first time doing really any of this kind of work, so I think it turned out pretty good. So next I'm just gonna make a mold of this back section here and do the same thing, make it out of carbon fiber. I'm trying to decide whether or not I want to bond this section here to the trunk and make that all one piece and mold the whole thing together so that there's definitely no gaps here and it's all put together as one piece. Kind of seems like that's how I've seen some of the other Fastback hardtops made. The only problem with that is when you take the hardtop off to go drive around just as a convertible, you have to replace the trunk back to the stock version. So a little bit of a downside there. So let me know in the comments if you think I should make this as one piece that I attach to the trunk so you can remove this all together, or bond this to the trunk and mold the entire thing. Yeah, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.